so low that I took a chance and gave your airline a try. But your endless fees impoverished me. First thing I was fleeced for a window seat. Next thing I was gouged so I'd be allowed to bring a suitcase with me. Just printing out my boarding pass was an extra fee. And when I asked to have a Coke, it cost me more money. Yellow bird, if you safely land this plane, I don't think that I will be back again. I may take a bus, I may take a train, I may rent a car unless we go down in flames. But if fate decrees, no doubt there'll be a fee for cremating me.